So our rat is still very wet, and we want to give him a really safe place to dry. One thing that we want to be sure of is that he's in like a sunny window, a well-ventilated area, but the other really important thing is where we put him to dry. We want to make sure it's a level surface. Since we started working out on this level surface, we know that he sits really nicely there, but if he were to be tipped on one side or the other, we'd put too much weight on his feet and they could break off. We also want to make sure that he's out of the reach of small children. Once he's dry or he starts to dry, some of the things that can happen are he could break some of his feet off, his ears will be a little bit more fragile. The body is basically pretty strong and hard to break, but the rest of him is a little bit more fragile, especially that nose. We want to make sure that he's in a safe place. It probably takes about 2 to 3 days, depending on the sunlight and the ventilation of where he can dry or how fast he will dry. But once he's dry, you'll know because the color will be really bright white.